Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia. I'm really glad that you're here. Today I wanted to share with you this amazing package I just received from Huda Beauty containing their entire Easy Bake line. So this is their Easy Bake Spray. It hasn't even been released yet. I thought that I would take a few minutes to share what is in the package, as well as some close-ups and shots of me applying it, in case anybody is interested in seeing those things. So please remember to turn your volume up and your subtitles, because I will be speaking throughout the video, just kind of explaining what I'm doing and what the product is. And then at the end, I will share my thoughts with them. So I really hope that you stick around, and please remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed my video. Thanks. I was so happy to receive this amazing package from Huda Beauty containing this gorgeous travel makeup case, along with a bunch of other things, including a personal fan, some makeup sponges, some clips, and a handheld mirror, in addition to their iconic makeup. First up is the Huda Beauty Easy Blur Primer. This is a silicone-free smoothing primer with a gel-like texture. It results in a lightweight and soft focus effect. This is a fragrance-free product, and it feels really nice and smooth and soft and cool on the skin. It wears really well under makeup. This wore really easily over my skincare and didn't result in any pilling. Next up is the Huda Beauty Easy Blur Natural Airbrush Foundation in the shade Custard 22N. This is a medium coverage, weightless, comfortable foundation that is buildable and contains 1.5% niacinamide. I was honestly blown away by this. It felt really good on my skin and actually blended quite seamlessly. I usually have to mix a couple of foundations together to get an effect that I like, but this one, just on its own on top of the primer, did such a great job. I was just absolutely thrilled with the base that I achieved with these products. I also forgot to mention that I did receive a Huda Beauty foundation brush, which is what I'm using to apply the makeup, and it is fluffy and applies beautifully with this brush. You can see how beautiful this base is. I also received the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder in the shade Banana Bread. I'm not very good with setting powders, so I probably didn't use enough, but I have used this product before and I've absolutely loved it. It's a very finely milled pressed powder that is perfect for setting makeup and getting rid of under eye creases after applying concealer. This product does have a bit of a scent, so if you are sensitive to fragrances, this might be something to consider if you don't like scented products. I should also mention that the foundation does have a bit of a scent as well. Although I didn't use very much, this still did a great job setting my makeup. Now we have the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Setting Spray, which is basically supposed to be like their setting powder, but in a sprayable form. This contains niacinamide, rice starch, and hyaluronic acid, and it is really good. It kept my makeup in place all day. I can say that for sure. I was wearing it for hours. It's supposed to keep your makeup in place for 16 hours. I didn't have makeup on for 16 hours, so I can't attest to that, but I did have it for 7 or 8 hours, and it kept it in place, blurred it, and set it just exactly as it said it would. And then after spraying, you just dry it with a fan. If you've made it to the end of this video and you watched the whole thing, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. So my final thoughts on so far this entire line is honestly amazing. I hadn't had a chance to try the primer or the foundation. I had tried the powder previously, which I loved, as well as their full filter color corrector, and I used Huda Beauty palettes quite a bit. So anyway, I was quite excited to receive this package. I didn't really know whether I would like the setting spray, but I really do. So far, it's really nice. I've been wearing it for a while and my skin doesn't feel dry or weird or itchy, and there was no scent to this setting spray. It is alcohol free and fragrance free, and it does contain niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, as well as rice starch. But all those things felt okay on my skin. Like, my skin feels pretty good actually. The foundation just blew me away. I think it might be the best foundation I've ever tried. I'm usually a MAC foundation person. I tend to mix a couple of MAC foundation colors to get the right one because I'm an olive and I'm in between light and medium. But this foundation, I don't know if I'm even going to need to do that. So I'll report back after using it for a while. But so far it hasn't oxidized. It feels really, really nice. I'm not just saying that because I got it for free. It really feels very nice. The primer also felt amazing. It didn't pill or anything like that. So, I mean, it's such a good line. So anyway, those are my thoughts on this. And I also wanted to take a minute to say that I do share some PR or things that I receive free on this channel. But I also wanted to say that the PR that I generally accept is only from brands that I already like or that I'm really interested in and that I know that I will like. I have rejected a lot of PR as well because there are brands that I'm a little bit iffy about, and I don't want to be dishonest and say that I like something just because I got it for free. And if you're anything like me, when you get something for free, you kind of feel a little bit obligated to say something positive about it. So anyway, I didn't want to do that, and I don't want to do that. So the PR that I'm showing on my channel is genuinely stuff that I really like and I really love. So if I had not liked this line here, I probably wouldn't have showed it on my channel, although there was no obligation to post it either way. I was just really excited about it, so I thought I would share it with you. Anyway, thank you again for watching, and I will stop rambling now. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, as well as like and save and even share this video if you liked it. Thank you so much. See you next time.